We're at Lee, here goes. In a second will be the 1613 Southeastern service to Charing Cross. Seven oh seven 027. And on the rear is 707 019. Right for Charing Cross. Here it is. Out of service is 465 031. We're at Lee. And 465 912. Here comes your 1613 Southeastern service to Gravesend. By Sidcup 376 022. Once again, we're at Lee. And on the rear of this service is 031. Here comes your 1624 service to Slate Green, I think it says. Yeah, Slate Green by Sidcup. That's by, at the front of this, 376 032 at the front. We're at Lee. And on the rear is 376 030. Your 1629 Southeastern service to Charing Cross, led by 465 021.